This is the seventh seal, where the last seal of the Revelation, where John saw when he was in the land of Patmos. This seventh seal is about the silence in heaven, like how it was said that in the beginning of the seventh seal there is a silence in heaven. So we know that as we read in the book of Revelation, chapter 8, chapter 12, and chapter 13. So there is the silence in heaven, there is wonder in heaven, and there is war or another wonder in heaven. There is war in heaven, and there is beast with 7 heads. There's also beast like a lamb. There is another angel. The another angel, we know that he was Angel Moroni. Angel Moroni, he was the last prophet in the Book of Mormon. So if you are eager to know who was Moroni is, just know the history of the Book of Mormon, or how the Book of Mormon come forth. And then there is 7 trumpets, and there is also 7 bowls.